You all hope you all are well at your homes with your parents and all. As usual, again my topic regarding health, regarding sports, because this is my duty, this is my profession to aware you always regarding all the things regarding sports, especially regarding health. So today my topic is injuries and causes of injuries. I mean sports injuries. First of all, what is injury? Injury can happen anytime, anywhere without any intimation. Injury may be while accident. Injury may be in the form of dislocation. Injury may be the form of strain, may be the form of sprain, may be the form of complex fracture, may be the form of green stick injury, may be abrasion and all. While sports, we are getting so many injuries. In other words, we can say injuries is the ornaments of sports. So how we can prevent injuries in sports? This topic will be the next topic, but today we will discuss causes of sports injuries. I will describe one by one what are the causes of sports injuries. Number one is improper conditioning. You see, whenever your body is not proper in condition, then you can get injuries. Other words, we can say your atmosphere is not good, your playing conditions are not good, you are mentally not satisfied to play, then you can get injuries and all. Next is very important is improper warming up. Without warming up, if we are playing any sports, any game, it is clear we can get so many injuries because warming up is necessary for peak performance for our muscles, for our all body system. Then we can avoid so many injuries. Without warming up, we are getting so many injuries. And next is nutrition, lack of nutrition. See, whenever we are playing, we require proper nutrition diet, and if we are not getting it, we can our muscles will weak. Already they are working properly, so so that we can get so many injuries. If we are playing only playing, we are not getting calories and all. Automatically, our muscles will weak. They will not overcome the fatigue and all, and they can get hurt. Next is lack of sports facilities. I mean, latest sports facilities. Suppose I am an athlete. I am running on the track, and my track is not good. My equipments, my shoes are not good. My proper wearing dress is not good. Then we can also get so many injuries while running, while jumping, by huddling and all. And next is improper coaching skills. This is very important. Your coach should be a appropriate. Your coach should be a player also. Your coach should be a proper qualified for that. Then he or she can guide you proper to avoid so many injuries. If you are not getting proper coaching, I mean proper skills, then you can get so many injuries while playing and out. Next is practice during the stage of fatigue. Whenever our muscles are fatigued, we have to take rest, we have to overcome, we have to recover them, then we have to play. If we are playing regularly while fatigue, our muscles will not allow us to do so far, and we can get injuries and all. Practice should be in the proper manners also. Whenever we are having fatigue, we have to take rest. We will not do other repetition at all. Then next is overload. While overload, we have to avoid skill. We have to avoid repetition. We have to avoid our sports also. We have to stop ourselves for the next repetition. If we are not doing so, we can get injuries and all. And main is carelessness. Whenever we are playing, we have to care our body, we have to care about all the things properly. If we are careless, then also we can get so many injuries. Improper sports equipments, this is very important. If we are not having good proper latest equipments, we can get injuries and all. And next is overuse of our muscle. But our muscles are also require rest always. When contraction, they require contraction. After fatigue, they are in fatigue condition, they require rest, they require after every repetition and all. If we are giving overload and all, automatically we can get so many injuries and all. So these are the and I would suggest one more thing, improper officiating and aggressive officiating, we can say. Whenever we are playing in aggressiveness without any care and all, so we also can get injuries and all. So we should avoid that. These are the main causes of our injuries. And how to overcome this, it will be my next lecture. And hope so you will follow it while playing and all. While playing at home also, whenever you are tired, so you have to stop yourself. So these were the major causes of sports injuries. So thank you very much to listen my lecture, and hope so you will follow this. Thank you. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay home. Thank you very much.